Okay, you have to see this. It's really freaky. My throat is so open, like it's nuts. I've been breathing around the trach all day today. And the other night I coughed around my trach with my trach unplugged. I don't know what happened. I was on the humidifier and I coughed all night because my throat got dry. So I have to get a CPAP mask. It's just annoying how long it takes for me to breathe in to be able to talk. But it's cool!